Now I will show you the queries which is related with the error-based SQL injection using the operating system Metasploitable 2. Now suppose from the table accounts we want to select some entry. Select star from accounts where username is equals to test and password is equals to n. Then order by 1. So there is no such entry, so it's an empty set, and also use the order by clause. So this is an empty set. Now run the same query. Now this time we use the order by 2. This is also an empty set. Now use order by 3. This is also an empty set. Now use order by 4. This is also an empty set. Now order by 5, empty set. Now order by 6. See error. All this previous query there is no error, but when you use the same query with the order by 6, then we got an error. Why? So it basically find out the number of column in that particular table. So in that particular table there are 5 columns. So if I check, then we can easily see that there are 5 columns are there. So that's why if we use the order by clause with the number 6, then it will give us an error. Select star from accounts. Now see, there are 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why when you use order by 6, it will give us an error. So by using this error, we can also find out, we can also enumerate the database. So this way we can also able to find out the number of column in a particular table. Now we'll use the union clause. Select star from accounts where username is equals to test and password is equals to any. Union select 1, 2, 3, @ version, 5 and terminate the query. So It basically gives you the result 1 in first column, 2 in second column, 3 in third column, and the version at the fourth column, and 5 in the fifth column. So it basically gives us the union result, as the query gives us an empty set, so that's why it only shows us the result which we union with the value 1, 2, 3, version, and 5. Similarly, we can also find out the user. Select star from accounts where username is equals to test union select 1, 2, 3, user, 5. Now see, it will gives us the username in the fourth column. Username is root@localhost. So this way we can also find out the table name. Select star from accounts where username is equals to test union select 1, 2, 3, table name, table underscore name, 5 from information schema dot tables, and terminate it. So we got all the tables. Now suppose you want to select all the columns of a particular table. Now we consider the table users underscore users, the last one. So the query is select star from accounts where username is test union select 1, 2, 3, and then column name, column underscore name, 5, 5 from information schema dot columns. So we got all the columns of that particular table. Select star from accounts where username is any union select 1, 2, username, comma, password, comma, 5 from accounts. See, we got the username and password in the third and fourth column. So this way we can use the order by and union select clause to enumerate or to find out the information from the database. Now, how can we use this type of query from a web application?